Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss divisibility tests. Tests of divisibility. Okay. Tests of divisibilities. And we will check the divisibility tests of 2, 3, 5 and 10. So how do we know that a number is divisible by 2? Firstly, the number should be even. And when do we know that a number is even? When it is divisible by 2, or when in the units place we have 0, in the units place we have a 2, or in the units place we have a 4, or if we have a 6, or if we have a 8 in the units place, then the number is even. So 20, 22, 24, 26 and 28 are all divisible by 2. Okay. How do we know that a number is divisible by 3? The sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. The sum of digits should be divisible by 3. Okay. Now, how do we know that a number is divisible by 5? The even number should be, the units digit should be 0 or 5. In the units digit, we should be having a 0 or a 5, like 55 is divisible by 5. 590 is divisible by 5, because here in the units place we have 5 or 0. So 55 and 590 are divisible by 5. Okay. Now let's move on. How do we know that a number is divisible by 10? If in the units digit we have a 0, then the number is divisible by 10, like 20, 29,000. These numbers are divisible by 10 because in the units place we have a 0. Okay, now let's see if a number is divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 10. Let's make a table. Let's suppose we have the number 6510. Now we have to see if the number is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 10. And the number is 6510. Okay. Now, is the number even? Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Because in the units place we have a 0. And the number is even. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Is the number divisible by 3? Okay, let's see what is the sum of the digits of the number. 6 plus 5 plus 1. What do we get? 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. So yes, the number is divisible by 3. Now, is the number divisible by 5? What do we have in the units place? We have a 0 or a 5. So it is divisible by 5. And is it divisible by 10? Yes, because in the units place we have a 0, and if we have a 0 in the units place, the number is divisible by 10. Okay, so by chance the number is divisible by all these numbers 2, 3, 5 and 10. So this is how we can see, we can carry out a test of divisibility for 2, 3, 5 and 10.